Hello to all students. Today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 2 human system, and today's topic is liver. Once again, today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is liver. Students, it is a largest gland of human. Once again, liver is a largest gland of human. Next, it is a largest digestive gland of human. It means digestion. It means complex food material convert to small food material by the enzymatic process. It means tumor like structures. Next, in humans, mostly three digestive glands. First is salivary gland, second is pancreas, and third is liver. Students, in previous online classes we studied salivary glands and pancreas digestive gland. Next is shape of liver is triangular shape. Once again, shape of liver is triangular shape. Next is position or location of liver in human is below side of mid septum. Next is lobe or parts of liver, mostly two parts or lobe in human liver. First is right lobe or right part, second is left lobe or left part. Students, position or location of right lobe is right side of liver. Next, it is heavy and larger lobe of liver compared to left lobe. It is heavy and larger lobe. Next, position or location is left side of liver. Next is structural and functional unit of liver. Next point is structural and functional unit of liver is liver lobules. Next is shape of liver lobules is hexagonal. Hexagonal. Next is number of liver lobules is 1 lakh in healthy person, in healthy humans. Once again, structural and functional unit of liver is liver lobules. Next, shape of liver lobules is hexagonal. Next, number of liver lobules in healthy human is 1 lakh. Next is, students, in this chapter we studied some structural and functional unit, like first human structural and functional unit is cell. Next is liver, structural and functional unit of liver is liver lobules. And third is structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. So proper learn structural functional unit of human liver, human kidney. Cell, liver is liver lobules, kidney is nephron. Next is next part is gallbladder. It is a bag like or bladder like or bladder like structure. Next is position or location of gallbladder is concave, lower side of the liver. It means gallbladder located in liver in concave lower side. Next is color of liver, color of gallbladder is green. Next is function of gallbladder is store bile juice, store bile juice. Next is in liver some specific liver to have some specific duct like hepatic duct and bile duct. Once again, liver to have some specific duct. First is hepatic duct, second is bile duct. Ducts of liver is first is hepatic duct, Second is bile duct. It means tube like structures. Students, bile juice moves through common bile duct, common bile duct into the duodenum part. Duodenum part. Students, bile juice move through the common bile duct into duodenum part. It is a part of small intestine, and it is a first part of small intestine. Shape of duodenum is U shape. Duodenum attached to alimentary canal, stomach part. Next, in stomach, between stomach and duodenum part located pancreas digestive gland. So it means bile juice are open, bile juice release in alimentary canal, and alimentary canal part is duodenum. Next is bile juice is a false juice because bile did not have any digestive enzyme, Students, human have many juice of humans. It means humans body synthesis some specific juice. First is bile juice. Students, bile juice synthesis by liver but store in gallbladder. Next is gastric juice. Gastric juice synthesis by stomach. Next is pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice synthesis by pancreas. Next is intestinal juice. Intestinal juice synthesis by intestine part. Once again, some specific juice of humans. First, bile juice. Bile juice synthesis in liver part but store in gallbladder. Gastric juice synthesis or store in stomach part. Pancreatic juice synthesis by pancreas digestive gland but release in duodenum part. Next, intestinal juice synthesis in intestine part and store in and release in intestine. Gastric, pancreatic and intestinal juice, they are true juice because they have digestive enzyme. It means gastric juice, pancreatic juice, intestinal juice to have digestive enzyme, so they are true juice. But bile juice is false juice because bile did not have digestive enzyme. So next is function of liver. First is synthesis of bile juice by liver. Second is synthesis of urea. Students, urea is a nitrogen excretory substance of humans. We studied the function of liver is synthesis of urea in excretory system in this chapter. Once again, this function we studied in excretory system of in this chapter. Next is synthesis and storage of glycogen. It is a polysaccharide. When thousands plus glucose molecules proper binded a glycosidic bond and forms polysaccharide. It means glycogen is an example of polysaccharide. Next is formation of RBC in embryonic stage. Students, in adult stage formation of RBC in bone marrow part, but in embryonic stage formation of RBC in liver part. Next is students, liver to have mostly two lobes, but to have two small lobes. Liver to have two small lobes. They are located in front of liver. Once again, mostly liver have two major lobe, right and left, but another two have another or other small lobe. Once again, liver to have two major lobe, left and right lobe, but liver to have another or other small lobe. They are located front of liver. Next is location. It is also known diaphragm. It is also known diaphragm. So students, today's topic is completed. It means today we studied liver digestive gland. First of all, introduction. It means shape, location, next lobe, next some small lobes, next is inside structures, gallbladders, next function of gallbladders, duct of livers, next specific juice in humans, specific structural functional unit of humans, next some specific function of human liver. In this topic only synthesis of bile juice, but synthesis of urea, synthesis and storage of glycogen we studied in next topic in this chapter. This function we studied in accessory system, we studied in another part. So thanks, have a nice day.